Hello, I'm Joe, JJB Produce. I'm a market gardener in Pukekohe, slowly making our way in the market gardening world. Been working with Hunter Withers for 4 years now, since 2019. Way better than my previous accountant, I won't say who that was. I think they've got a pretty firm understanding on how farming and market gardening works, given their rural family as well. Get a lot of confidence out of someone like Brigette and Sarah to, sort of guide us in that direction. Yeah, seems like we're finally making our way. I trust them. They look at businesses all day. I know very little about how to run a business, and I trust that these guys do. Just by nature, they're looking at books all the time, so they can tell me to pull it in when I need to pull it in, or I can push it when I can push it. I don't have the capacity or the patience to do any of it myself, so I try outsource everything. I do the payroll and that's about it. Everything else is outsourced to them. I find myself emailing Sarah a bit, maybe twice a week, I suppose. The coaching program that they run. Every quarter we catch up and just make sure we're doing everything we can to be as tax efficient as possible, and they can predict things that I can't see, so it's just a good service. It helps me find a direction to go toward, otherwise you're kind of getting a bit lost. Once we had that direction pinpointed, we could formulate a plan to get there, and yeah, pretty confident in what we've done so far and where it's going. Without that program, just be going with the motion. It allows you to take a step back and just see. It gives me confidence anyway.